welcome to another reaction of the Super Saiyan Performance Encore YouTube channel. This is going to be my first time reaction to the Hillbilly Moon Explosion 9 Enola Gay. I'm very excited to dive into it. First time introduction to the Hillbilly Moon Explosion. If y'all enjoyed the reaction, be sure to like, subscribe, comment below in the comment section for any requests. Type the artist, song by the artist down in the comments. I will make sure to react to it. Same with Old School Saturday. If y'all have any requests for the Hillbilly Moon Explosion, comment below and I'll make sure to react to it. Down in the description will be a Dropbox link for the slideshow, a channel calendar link, merch store link, and a link to the original video. Show love to the Hillbilly Moon Explosion. Give them a like, subscribe, go share, and stream the music. Follow them. Go show them love at concerts. Go show them love by buying the merch and all the stuff. Take care, as always. With that being said, y'all, shout out to Paul for the request. Let's dive in. Groovy beat.
Well, help me out here. Well, come on.
That was awesome. That was the Hillbilly Moon Explosion, Enola 9, Enola Gay. That was awesome. Like, I'm not even joking. That was just cool. That was just awesome. Like, honestly, like, the groovy beat to it, That was one of the things I really enjoyed about this. Personally, for me, was I really enjoyed the groovy beat to it. I love of course, the stand up bass. I believe it was. Not to mention, of course, the guitars and the drums and everything else was very cool too. Big shout again to the Ian Card Gold channel for posting this. Shout out to you. 2.2 thousand likes, 185,000 views. I posted 6 years ago, October 7th of 2019. I flat out loved it. Like, I'm not even kidding. I flat out enjoyed the heck out of that for sure. There's always time for a bit of rockability. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, for sure. But yeah, no, again, guys, I enjoyed the heck out of that. Big shout out to Paul for the request. Big shout out to the chat as this reaction is coming to you in the 21st Old School Saturday of the channel. If y'all enjoyed the reaction, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on notifications, never miss a thing on the channel. Comment below your request, type the artist, song by the artist down in the comments. I'll make sure to react to it. Same with Old School Saturday. If y'all have any requests for um the Hillbilly oh shoot, I'm already forgetting the name. Oh my gosh. Um I closed down the video. The Hillbilly Moon Explosion. Oh my gosh. Too much going up on here. Go show love support to the Hillbilly Moon Explosion and give them a like, subscribe, go share it, and stream the music. Go show them love at concerts, buy the merch, all the stuff. Take care, y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.